and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why you need to start investing even if you are not rich. A lot of people think, and I have to admit I was one of those, that investing is only for the rich or financially well off. But that's simply not true. Investing is for everyone, regardless of their financial status. And this simple truth that I learned a few years ago has completely changed my outlook on investing and also impacted my financial decisions. Because of the lack of basic knowledge back then, I missed out on investment opportunities in my 20s, which could have led me to financial freedom in my 30s. But I am very grateful that by educating myself, I was able to start making smart financial decisions in my 30s. So it's never late to start investing. Of course, the earlier you start, the better. This advice you'll see in every book about investing. It's really never too late though. And remember, you don't have to be rich. I decided to make this video for people who are like me years ago to help with basic knowledge into investing so you can start improving your financial state. In this video, I'll explain why investing is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial status. Let's dive in. Point number one is that investing is not just for the wealthy. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that it's only for wealthy. But the truth is that anyone can invest no matter how much money they have. In fact, starting early with small amounts can be very beneficial in the long run. You can start with as little as $50 or $100 per month and gradually increase your investment as you earn more. My husband and I have actually opened a separate investing account for our child, and we invest only $50 weekly. And even though it's not a significant amount now, but by the time our daughter is graduating high school, thanks to the compound interest, she'll have a significant amount of money in her account. And I'm gonna make a separate video about it and show you how to open an investment account for your kids. Investing helps you build wealth. One of the main reasons why people invest is to build wealth. By investing your money, you are giving it the opportunity to grow over time. This means that even a small investment can turn into a significant amount of money in the future thanks to the power of compounding. And if you're wondering what compound interest is, check out my video about it. This is especially important if you have long-term financial goals, such as buying a house, saving for your children's education, or retiring comfortably. Let's use a compound interest calculator and see how your money can grow with the magic of compound interest. Let's calculate together and see how much your money can grow if you invest $100 per month into, let's say, S&P 500. And for those who doesn't know what S&P 500 is, it's a stock market index that measures the value of the 500 largest companies traded on US stock markets, which includes Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, and many others. So the initial deposit here is $100, and you'll continue investing $100 on a monthly basis. And for the investment period of time, let's assume 10 or 15 years. Because as I've mentioned before, the power of compound interest is evident when it is compounded over a long period of time. So the longer your money is invested, the more time it has to grow. So you gotta look for a long-term game. And for the estimated rate of return, let's assume 10%. As since its creation in 1926 until the end of 2021, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of approximately 10%. So let's assume that based on the historic data, it will continue performing the same way. So here's how much money you can have in 10 years, and also let's switch to 15. But of course, if you can invest more, then your return will be higher as well. So let's assume you are able to invest $1,000 and continue doing so on a monthly basis. Here is how much money you can have in 15 years. This is pretty much a good amount that you can invest into real estate and create a source of passive income. Another reason why you need to start investing is that investing helps you beat inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the cost of living increases over time, as you can see it nowadays. If you keep your money in the savings account or under your mattress, it will lose value over time due to inflation. Let's say you have $100 in a savings account that pays a 2% interest rate. After a year, you will have $102 in your account. However, over the same year, the inflation rate is 3%. This means that the cost of goods and services has increased by 3%. As a result, the purchasing power of your money has decreased by 3%, meaning that you'll need $103 to have the same buying power that you started with. Yes, you have gained $1, but lost the buying power, and you could buy fewer goods and services. In other words, even though your savings account earned interest, it did not keep up with the rate of inflation. Anytime your savings don't grow at the same rate as inflation, you'll effectively lose money. However, if you invest your money in assets that generate a return, such as stocks or real estate, you can potentially earn a higher return than the rate of inflation, which means your money will maintain its purchasing power over time. This is why it's important to consider the effect of inflation when making investment decisions. Investing can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. By investing your money, you are creating a source of passive income that can help you achieve your financial independence. This means that you can live off your investments without having to work a full-time job, which can give you more time and freedom to pursue your passions. And lastly, investing can be accessible and affordable. In the past, investing was only accessible to rich people who could afford to hire professional investors. But with the emerging technology, investing has become more accessible and affordable than ever before. There are now many online platforms that offer low-cost investment options, such as index funds and robo-advisors, that make investing more accessible to everyone. I'm going to make separate videos about it and explain different platform types and show you how to open your first investment account. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it, and also hit the notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. To sum up what's been said in this video, investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, beating inflation, and achieving financial freedom. And even if you're not rich, you can start investing today with as little as $50 or $100 per month. By investing early and consistently, you can give your money the opportunity to grow over time and achieve your long-term financial goals. So don't wait any longer. Start investing today and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.